how to add debit card to Metamask. But before that, if you don't know what is Metamask, it is a popular cryptocurrency wallet and gateway to blockchain applications, primarily used for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain, in which it is available as both browser extension and mobile app. So now the first thing that we need to do is to simply go to this metamask.io and click Get a Mask button on the top right corner, where you will be directed on this page or this Chrome web store extension, and you can simply add it as your extension. And after that, on the top right corner, you will now be able to see here. And once you click on it, you will be directed on this page of MetaMask. And from here, you should be able to see your portfolio right here. And by clicking buy and sell button on the top panel, you will be directed on this page where you can start purchasing the kind of cryptocurrency. For example, I'm going to select here this USDT. And after that, just proceed by entering here the amount of USDT you want to purchase and select the payment method for it. And basically, by clicking this debit or credit card as your payment method, just click the continue button below to proceed in order to start adding the details of your debit card number, the name of the card holder, the CVV, security code, the expiration date, and many more. And after successfully entering here the details of your card, of debit card right here, you should be able to start buying the kind of cryptocurrency you want to purchase using your debit card. But overall, that is just basically how you can add debit card to your MetaMask.